Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCUL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. But going forward, want to map out a couple of key levels and the reason this chart is kind of scrunched up a little bit more than normal is because really there's kind of two overall levels that really stand out. The first one is where the buyers have very clearly been hanging out on multiple occasions, and that's down here right around $4.15. I mean, you go back through the history of things, and you can see this was a former area of resistance right there. I bring that up because, a foundational rule in chart is when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, they tend to act as support. And you can see right there acted as support, and then right there once again acted as support. So it's very clearly that from the overarching perspective, definitely $4.15 is that key overall area where the buyers have been hanging out as support. Now, ideally speaking, it'd be great if the price can stay up here above this level right here at, $4.35. But it's not like if the price falls below $4.35, the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that, because again, you still do have that big picture one down there at $4.15. Now, on the flip side of things, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Main level of resistance, again, just going back through the history of things, and this is not exact, but you can see right here at $4.60 within a few pennies. I mean, there is just a big old track record. Granted, sometimes the price didn't quite hit it. A couple other times the price got slightly up above it, but once again, so up above it, down below it, right there directly at it. So you can see that 460 definitely going to be public enemy number one going forward into next week. There's just a big old track record of that area. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying the price can't break above 460. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the chart and what's being told to us, the price is really going to have to bring its A game if it's going to be able to push above that level and then be able to stay up above it. But overall, though, keep an eye on these levels going into next week. And the chart does look good, especially to if you look at it like this. I mean, these bases do keep getting higher and higher. So you have a base right there, you have a base right there, now you have this base up here. So as long as those bases keep getting higher and higher, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. But yeah, going into next week, let's see if the bulls can get the break of 460 or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.